Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I just want to do a quick video on how I made my chute blocker for my zero-turn mower. Long story short, it's just an older Bobcat commercial, 61-inch cut, Kawasaki engine. But with the big deck, I did have a lot of discharge, so I wanted a way to control it. I had seen a ton of ways you could spend big bucks on, professional ones, but I was like, you know what, I think I can do it myself. So I'll give you a quick rundown of what I used. I don't know the names for all the materials, but it's just more or less stuff I had laying around the house, with the exception of a couple things. So I'll show you what we got. I started with a steel plate, which I got from a big box store. I had to cut it down about 1 inch on the sides, inch on the bottom, got her to fit. I used galvanized brackets. Hopefully they can hold up through the weather. I self-tapped, and then I cut off the self-taps on the other side. Yeah, just used a little eye-ring here. Now, the parts I'm not sure what the names are. I had this hook. I think it's for an old motorcycle stand of some kind or something, but it actually has a tube that's up this thin metal rod. So I held the hook in place with this self-tapper. Again, I had this rod sitting around the house, but I ran it up to the operator chair and I held it in place with a metal bracket. Now again, I'm not sure what this is called, but I had a few of them kicking around. I think it has to do with stuff around the house, gardening or something like that. So I painted it all black. I reinforced it, and I'll give you an idea how it works. So, now, it's not complete yet, but long story short, this is kind of how she works. So, I can keep it in the open position, and you'll see I've installed a couple eye-rings just to kind of hold it in place. So if I want to discharge, I can do that. Or if I want to run it closed, I have another eye-ring holding it closed there. So, like I say, it's not perfect, but definitely does what I need to do. And it should help me be more efficient on the job. So yeah, just want to show you guys what I did. Total cost, I think I spent maybe 20-30 bucks and used supplies from around the house, but I think almost anybody can do this, so just want to give you guys some ideas. Yeah, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks guys, see you next time.